DaVinci Resolve speed warp makes slow motion look smooth. So you have maybe a normal clip like this one. You want to make it into slow motion. So the idea is that when you do that, you create the slow motion, then you can put it into DaVinci Resolve like I've done with this clip. And then it's supposed to be more smooth, more sexy, more like, instead of being like a robot thing. So in around 60 seconds, I'll show you how to do this in DaVinci Resolve, and then you can try it. You can see like if it makes any difference for you. For me, I saw a tiny difference. I guess in the overall picture, it didn't make any sense for me. But how we do this is we go into the video, then we need to change the speed. So the speed is when we slow down the speed, that's when we get the slow motion. Then the frames go down, and that's where we get the robot thing. And then it's supposed to smoothen it out when we go down and we pick the retime and scaling option. So we go in, we pick the retime, process, optical flow, then we motion, estimation, AI, speed, warp, better. Then when we've done that, then that's basically it. Then it's supposed to be smoother. If you're new to this thing with slowing things down and doing this, right, then when you change the speed, then the clip gets shorter. So you need to go down to your timeline, take it, hold down the mouse, and then you need to drag it a little bit, because when you slow down the speed to half, then the length of the clip gets twice as long. So you play with it, gets bigger. That's it. Subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like it, give it a dislike. Thanks for watching. There's a playlist with more tips and tricks for DaVinci Resolve with AI up here if you want to watch that. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.